Hi, my name is Rachel, and in this short video, I would like to help you guys who are looking for more honest information about the product SteelBite Pro before you decide to order it. The first warning I would like to give you is to be careful. If you really decide to try this product, be careful to do it through the official website. To be sure you are buying the original product and then avoid problems and frustrations. Because the manufacturers are offering this supplement only for sale on the official website, I left the official website link in the description below this video for you to check out if you wish. The hectic lifestyle of modern life involves the consumption of unhealthy and overly processed junk food, which not only deteriorates overall health but also affects the gums and teeth. The result of this can come as bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath. Needless to say that all of these bother us and bring us many problems. And no matter how hard we try to take the best care of our oral hygiene, for various reasons, we can't follow a regular routine that is efficient enough to avoid these types of problems. And also, most of the time, we are too busy to make regular appointments with a dentist. So, digging deeper into what kind of alternative we could have to help, I found this SteelBite Pro. And I ended up discovering something I didn't know at all, that the main reason of these problems is caused by bacteria that sit deep inside our gums, which are like little termites that relentlessly chew on our teeth and gums. Over time, these bacteria, along with food debris, multiply, build up, and form so-called plaque and calculus, which is like a toxic mold that spreads on the walls of your teeth, causing bad breath and providing a great home for bacteria to develop. And no matter how well you clean your teeth, at least 10% of the bacteria will remain hidden inside the gum pockets. This has nothing to do with the quality of your oral hygiene. So, why should this supplement help? This natural dental supplement works by targeting the saliva produced inside the mouth. Saliva is the only type of fluid that has the ability to reach the deeper pockets of the gums. However, it is unable to clean these pockets and remove any plaque or bacteria buildup, even though it can access the affected areas. Using SteelBite Pro strengthens the saliva, giving it the abilities it needs to clean infections and dig out all the tartar and plaque from all the gum pockets that are out of reach during flossing and toothbrushing. While killing bacteria and cleaning the roots of the teeth, the product also strengthens the teeth side by side. But the market is full of dental supplements of various types and kinds. What makes SteelBite Pro different from the others? What caught my attention the most is that it's different because it not only targets the teeth, but also covers all other parts of the mouth, including the gums and tongue. I'm not saying that SteelBite Pro is the miracle oral health capsule, and of course, individual results may vary. But the fact that we can have something that can go so deep and that can help us not have to spend fortunes on endless dental treatments and never again have to cover our mouths or feel embarrassed about having bad breath is something we should consider trying. So that's it, guys. I hope I helped you. If you want more information, check out the description below this video. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.